had a ton of people ask me if fasting is safe or if fasting is healthy. The question that people should be asking themselves is fasting healthier than the way I ate for the last 14 days? If you look at what I consumed for the last 14 days, food and liquor and drugs, whatever it was, and you compare that to what the effects of fasting for 14 days would be, and then you decide which is going to be healthier for your body. Yeah, fasting takes a toll on your body. You give yourself a chance to heal damaged cells, and there is healing going on when you're on a prolonged fast. It also stresses your body. It's kind of like running a marathon. You know, running a marathon can be good for you in the long term because you put this strain on your body that makes you capable of more, and it makes your every average day feel easier. And a fast is kind of the same thing. It puts this intense stress on your body, forces your body to heal by using its damaged cells for fuel. It gives the digestive system a break. Scientifically, I don't know what the stress is, but I know I felt it. Like, I used to say to myself when I'm 14 days deep, drinking only water, it's been 14 days, I feel some kind of way. Like, I feel toxic almost. Like, my mouth feels gross, like it's acidic. I can't stay hydrated. I feel uncomfortable sometimes. This isn't all the time. It comes and goes. In the mornings, often when I'm fasting, I don't care, on day 21 of my fast, I felt amazing in the morning, all the way up until about 1 or 2 in the afternoon every day. And somewhere around the evenings and when I had to go to bed is when I would feel my most uncomfortable. And I would just say to myself, that's healing. That's my body healing. That uncomfortableness is my body going through and healing those damaged cells. The truth is, you feel like your body is under stress. That's why I say it is stressful on the body, because that's what I experienced. Compared to how I lived the 21 days prior to doing that fast, it was way healthier for my body. I went from drinking alcohol, binge eating massive amounts of carbohydrates, like probably enough food for 3 or 4 people. Think of the stress that over consuming all that processed, gross food into your digestive system and forcing your body to deal with that day after day after day. And then like add in fast food and super high salt, all the chemicals in processed food, the chemicals that you're getting in soda, and then you put in the poison from alcohol on top of that. And then you compare that to a 21-day fast where you're just letting your body have nothing but water. I would like to pose the question differently. Is a fast healthy? Is one way to put it, but another way to put it is a fast healthier than what you did for the last 1, 2, or 3 weeks?